Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the lightweighted, breathable, soft chanderi fabrics with elegant golden zari zigzag patterns with the two dual color combinations, same designs concept in affordable price point with the two color options. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device and explore wide collection range in affordable price point. Let me show you the very pretty, the first color of combination, the magenta with a green color combination, the elegant, the golden zari waves with a rich pallu with a contrast green color combinations. Look at the beauty of this golden zari waves, the rich pallu parts with the same matching color combination, resham thread. That is what the saree you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India with a Kalamkari elegance digitally formats in middle parts of this body, and both side you received the golden zari waves, the zigzag patterns in both side of this border part. The saree you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with a green color combination, the golden zari waves, the brocade blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then must be connect our customer care executive number one day before on your suitable time slot. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Here you can see the second color options, same concept, same designs, only colors are different with very pretty, the pink color combination, the golden zari waves rich pallu, and middle parts you receive the royal blue, dark navy blue color combination, the detailings of this plain kalamkari fusions with a jungle theme inspired detailings. With the both side you receive the pink color combination, the zigzag patterns in a golden zari waves. This saree also you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India, convenient designs in affordable price point and pink color combination, golden zari fully brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.